Hi, my name is Patrick Desjardins, and today we will see our third TypeScript riddle. How can you extract the types of an array? For example, the following array contains the number 1, the string 2, a boolean true, and another string 4. How can we extract the union of a number, a string, and a boolean from this array? Similar to the previous riddle, we need to leverage the keyword extends, because we want to verify if we are extracting from an array or not. In our case, we want to analyze the collection types only if it's an array. It is possible to check if the type is an array using extends followed by the keyword array. Then we borrow the infer keyword to extract all types from the array. The syntax is array infer u. The else condition returns never if the types we check is not an array. Hence, we need to use the question marks and the colon. It is also possible to use the square bracket, but I found the array keyword's usage to be clearer. Here is the same extraction with the square bracket syntax. The syntax is more compact, but requires parentheses. At that point, we can verify the initial array with the created type. The type made is of string, number, and boolean. Even though the array has two strings, they are not part of the string because TypeScript eliminate the redundancy of the types. If we create a new string variable and we test it against the type we created, we receive the type specified in the else statements after the question mark, which is never. Hence, the condition with extends work well. And that's it. With the usage of extends and the question mark and the colon syntax, we were able to perform the extraction of the type from the list. Then, with the infer keyword, we were able to extract the types inside the array. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you soon.